Texas Blacksmith Schools. Dallas area, Old City Park, oldcityparkdallas.org. Grapevine Blacksmith Shop. Shadowhawk Blades, shadowhawkblades.com. East Texas, Pinecone Forge, pineconeforge.com. Austin, Austin Community College Riverside, austincc.edu. Pioneer Farms, pioneerfarms.org. Central Texas, Balcones Forge, balconesforge.org. WACO, Homestead Heritage Forge, homesteadheritageforge.com. Not in Texas? Comment with your state. We'll post classes near you. If you want to learn blacksmithing today, we teach online courses at diyblacksmithing.com/course. Thanks.